nakita ko dito ang maraming sasakyan na napakamura, no? Magandang klase at napakamura. So samahan niyo po, pasok po tayo sa loob. So kabayan, no, malamig ang panahon dito ngayon. Mahangin, pero makulimlim po ang kalangitan. Kaya winter po rito, kaya ganito po yung panahon ngayon. So, manual air condition, power steering, low kilometers, so 11,995. Ito po yung Mitsubishi. So ito naman, no, model 2012, manual air condition, power steering, no, 4x4 Marija Special turbo diesel, 3 years warranty, no. Ang presyo niya is 17,995. Ayan, kita mo naman, no, magandang klase. Automatic 2012. Ayan, 18,995 4x4. So ito po yung mga presyo nila ngayon. Model 2012. So, marami to, no, mga kabayan, marami to. 2014 automatic air conditioning, power steering, manager special 3-year warranty. Yan yung Volkswagen. Wala siya nakalagay na price. Dadaanan na lang natin ang camera, mga minamahal nating kababayan. No, pwede mong ibenta yung sasakyan mo. Nagba-buy and sell sila rito ng mga gamit ng sasakyan. Tulad nito, Nissan 9,990. Ito mo, automatic air conditioner, air condition, so 7,990. Your car forecast. May-ari nito, no, kapag nagamit na nila ng mga ilang taon, binibenta na rin po nila, no, dito sa Car City. Yung presyo nila, mga minamahal nating kababayan. Sa palagay niyo ba, mura o mahal? Ayan. Ito, bargain na, oh. No? Power steering. Ford yan, Ford. 16,990. Ford. Maikli pa. Konti pa lang yung naitakbo, no? 12,990. Low kilometers pa. Ito yung mga sedan to, no? So ito yung mga naka-stock dito, no? So dito yung guaranteed to be the cheapest wholesale price to public, no? So napakamura ng mga sasakyan dito, mga minamahal nating kababayan. Itong Kia, na mahal pa rin pala rito. Automatic air condition, power steering, turbo, immaculate, 3 years warranty, so almost only 20,995.
This car was originally 26 for the sale, down to 21.
Yeah.
You get 3 years warranty, Rego, and $500 fuel voucher. This one you get 1,000 kilometers per tank.
So
Very
how
good.
many kilometers that?
115.
115.
Good case.
Yeah,
2017.
So it's look like a press, huh?
Sorry?
It just look like a brand new, no?
Yeah, it's like brand new car. This car. Look inside.
Yeah, no.
Apple CarPlay, reverse camera, navigation.
The 20,995 is all in.
Yeah,
Okay.
I can't go less than that. That's cheap. This car.
So
Look, it's like brand new car. This
yeah, it's very clean, no?
car. Very nice car.
Oh, very clean.
1,000 Ks per tank you get. Very good. All drive as well. Very good car.
That's good, huh? 2007 then. Is that a fixed price? 20,995.
Yeah, that is because it was 26.
All in all, also add documents,
You need
papers.
Are you doing finance?
No, I mean 20,000 in that price included the
3
documents.
years warranty, yeah, everything. 3 years
Okay.
warranty, Rego,
Okay.
fuel voucher, everything with that.
Okay. So
This one is better for you. 2020 model. Just come in. This new 2020 model,
uh
same case, but this one has the safety pack on it.
That's good, huh? What is the $500 pre-fuel?
Fuel voucher.
Okay.
Look inside.
Is that a leather?
Not leather, no.
Okay. Okay, thank you. May mga dealer sila rito. No? Pagka nakuha na nila, ayan, may libre ng washing. Once na nakuha na nila yan. So ready to ano na yan, pull out, no? Yan. So dito kayo makakita ng mga murang-murang sasakyan, no? Mga slightly used, no? Pero magandang klase pa rin. Ito, ang ganda niya, no? Malawak to, ang ganda niyan. So dito, may hilo ka sa kapipili ng magandang sasakyan dito. Kaya dapat pag pumunta ka rito, meron ka ng gusto na dapat bilhin para at least hindi ka na mayano sa kaiikot dito. Okay guys, hanggang sa muli. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. From Top TV, bumabati po sa inyo ng isang magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Mabayang Pilipino, mabayang Pilipinas. God bless us all. God bless Philippines. To God be the glory. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.